Alright, so we have another example. It's a trapezoid. So to find the area of the trapezoid, we need to know the formula. So our formula for area of a trapezoid, we need to realize that this is a trapezoid, so the area of a trapezoid equals base 1 plus base 2 times the height divided by 2. So once you have that, your next step would be to identify what the bases are. So here we have the base at the bottom, which pretty much makes sense. But with the trapezoid, the bases are the parallel sides, so this would also be a base on top. So our base 1 would be 29.2. Our base 2 equals 19. Well, now we have a slanted height here and we have a perpendicular height. It actually doesn't show it's perpendicular, but I'm going to assume that that's measuring that line right there. So our height is this number right here. We want to use the height, the distance between the two bases, as our h in this problem. So h equals, and that's 12.6. All right, so now it's time to do our work. Area equals base 1. What's going on with this? Base 1, 29.2 plus 19. Close the parentheses and make sure you add those together first before you multiply by the height, which is 12.6. And then once you have all those calculations done, divide by 2. So 29.2 plus 19, that is, looks like it's 48.2. Times 12.96. And divide by 2. And then our next step is to finish it up. So it's just a problem like this, I'd let you use calculators. So our next step is to basically, use a calculator, which I should have had pulled up already. There's our calculator. So I do 48.2 times 12.96 divided by, so let's hit equals, divide that by 2, and I get 312.336. So 312.336. And we look at our units, it's inches squared.